You can make $100 in one day online by leveraging your skills through freelancing on sites like Upwork or Fiverr, completing gig-based work in the service economy via apps like TaskRabbit, or by participating in paid online activities like surveys, though this can be time-consuming. Other options include selling unwanted items on online marketplaces or providing services like online tutoring. Freelancing and gig work, freelance services, offer skills like writing, graphic design, or web development on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Gig economy apps use apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Postmates to deliver groceries or rides. Microtasks find local odd jobs through platforms like TaskRabbit, which can include tasks like furniture assembly or yard work. Other online methods. Online surveys. Sign up for survey sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie to earn money for your opinions. Sell items. Sell unwanted items from around your home on online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Online tutoring. Offer your expertise in a subject through online tutoring services if you have a strong knowledge base in a particular area. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on social media or a blog and earn a commission for any sales that result from your unique link. Sell stock photos. If you are a photographer, you can sell your photos on stock image websites.